Happy Hump Day. My cash cow famo. Be from Carmel by the sea. Anyway, guys, I'm going to get right into this video, but I'm going to show you guys how I used to make money buying and selling websites. As I still do. I haven't bought any recently, but we're just going to go over the process. And again, if you guys have money, I would highly suggest you doing this. So I'll flip it around and we'll get this party started. Did you miss me? Yep, I'm still saying that because I can. Anyway, guys, as that thumbnail stated, $10,500. If you follow this channel, I don't know if I ever told you the exact amount that I sold it for, the real Caddyshack, but as you can see, right here. And guys, the reason I'm making this video and the reason why I had this pulled up is because I'm going to be selling tittiesgolf.co. I started working on the listing yesterday, but I've talked about Flippa before, guys, but I haven't talked about like the buying and selling of websites on Flippa. But I used to do this, guys, pretty heavily, probably like 7 or 8 years ago. Basically what I did was I went in here and found websites that were selling social media. They were basically like social media, like selling Facebook likes and selling Instagram followers and selling Twitter followers. And I've never even had a Twitter account, to be honest with you. But my goal was to have like 6 of these websites. I think I only bought 4 of them. But what I did, guys, was I just made them profitable by running ads towards them, and I would get them at a very cheap price, like anywhere from $150 to up to $500. I think I spent, and I would make them profitable because I've always told you guys, if you're building a website or making a website, you have to consider it as an asset because you can sell this shit down the road. So anyway, I bought four of these websites, 4 or 5, whatever the fuck, and I made them profitable, and then I flipped them. I don't know if the listings are actually in here, so I could show you, but we can take a look. I don't know if they keep the data. I don't know how long they keep it. Let's see. Let's go way back. Oh my gosh. I haven't looked at this, and I'm sorry, but it was 9 years ago. So guys, as you can see, this one, social results, I bought that for basically $500. High web exposure, same thing. My social banana, wow. Anyway, guys, you can see I bought all of these websites, SEO combined. Anyway, guys, I made them profitable and I flipped them, as you can see. So if you do have, I know a lot of you guys don't have any money, and I understand. But this is just one way that you could do it. And guys, you can find amazing deals. Let me just show you real quick what I found a few days ago. So I found this website. I'm not going to buy it. Well, I might buy it. When you guys, you have to do thorough research on whoever's selling the website on Flippa, because you can get scammed. I've never been scammed, I don't think. But you another thing, guys, just taking this website into consideration, I basically went in here, and it's a great website. It was at $1,500, but now that the auction ended, so now he's trying to get $500 for it. I could probably offer him like 300 and take it home today, but I think the product is saturated. Um, Let me just go over here. How are you guys doing, by the way? You know it's Hump Day. You know what else it is, guys? It is freaking Masters Week. My favorite week of the entire year. Tiger Woods is playing golf tomorrow. Um, Guys, anyway, look at this website. And to be honest, it looks even better than what I thought it was in the past. Guys, I probably am going to buy this because, because, I mean, the reason why I was doubting it is because I went over to Amazon and I saw the same product being sold for maybe a little bit cheaper. I mean, I'll do more research on it. But guys, I mean, buying a website like this for $500, I can guarantee you right now that I could just get a couple sales with this bad boy and I could sell it probably in the next week for $1,500 at least, because it has a great logo. The content is perfect. All these reviews, guys. Don't go over there to Flippa and frickin' buy this website, please. But anyway, guys, I mean, so I reached out to him and I asked him a couple questions. Um, Hang on 1 second. I'll have to pause the video. That's my father calling. Actually, you know what? I'm not going to do that because I'm in a groove. But anyway, I was asking him my first question. I guess this was Friday. I asked him what's the product cost. He said it's at the moment it's $29 for the manual and $89 for the electric. See, that seems a little high to me, but I'll have to do the research. I don't know much about this product. And then I asked him where the products were shipped from. He said if there is no stock in the U.S. warehouse, they are shipped from China. Shocking. Isn't everything shipped from China? So basically, if you want to try and find a website, and there's many different ways that you can search for whatever, but you simply come in here and just go Shopify. And then you can set your filters to whatever you want. I always do most active. And just come in here, guys, and see what people are doing. Another thing, guys, if you're looking for ideas or niches, hey, we just had an order on Titty's Golf. If you, let's just take this one for example. High profit digital product site making $320 a month. It has 3 days left, and you can watch them and be notified and all that good stuff. Let's just check this out real quick, like, hello, what's going on with the internet? But guys, you wanna, if you're doing this, you wanna make sure that they have Google Analytics set up and all that good stuff, guys, and they're giving you correct numbers. If they have sales, let's just check out the website. So they're selling ready-made articles. Interesting. Not something I'm into, and now that I've clicked on it, I mean, this is just a basic website, guys. I wouldn't pay $100 for this, but this is probably a good shipping product. But they're not making that much money. I try to buy them under $500, and then again get a couple sales, running ads towards it, and flip it, flip it. But guys, I've been very successful with doing this. It's as I always say, it's not rocket science, but it's just a matter of getting in here and doing a little bit of research and seeing what's available. But if you don't have ideas of what you want to build a website, if you're just basically building a Shopify store and you need ideas, come in here and look at what people are doing. I have seen this website before. Actually, I have seen that logo before. Let's see what they're up to. Just real quick. Sometimes, guys, when you go to click on the listing, the people don't have it linked properly, which is not good. Because when I clicked on that, I was thinking I was buying the domain, not the website. You see what I'm saying? Because sometimes they'll like have the password in there or something like that. Anyway, guys, that's we don't have to check into this, but guys, there's just so many there's so many opportunities out there. And anyway, guys, when you go to sell the website, they basically set everything up. You just walk through and do everything that it asks you to do. As far as like integrations, that would be Shopify and Google Analytics. Obviously your financials, how much you've made and all that good stuff. Blah to the blah to the blah to the blah. So anyway, guys, I said this was going to be a quick video, but again, get in Flippa. And if you do have some money to spend, you're going to get the money back. Trust me on that. If you buy a good website. Again, not rocket science. But guys, I just wanted to show you that. And I think that's all I have. I will be making another video soon, guys, on what I don't know. I asked you at the gym in my short video this morning what you wanted to see me do. And like I said, I have several ideas, but I always like to do what you guys want me to do or show you how to do. So please comment down below, guys, and let me know what video you would like to see next on the Cash Cow channel. And guys, I will see your monkey butt soon. Again, let me know down below. Love you all. Have a wonderful hump day. And I'll see you when I see you. Peace.